Fabulous App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. The surprising truth about self-improvement is that motivation fades, but routines stick. Fabulous is built around that idea, but is it worth using in 2025? Fabulous is a habit-building and wellness app designed to help users create healthier daily routines. It focuses on behavior science, not hype, guiding users through small, intentional changes. When you start, Fabulous introduces one habit at a time, like better sleep or hydration. Over time, these habits stack into structured routines. Most people get this wrong, but slow progress is the point. One major pro is guidance. The app feels like a coach, not a checklist. Visual cues, reminders, and short reflections keep users engaged without pressure. Another advantage is customization. Users can tailor routines to mental health, productivity, or physical wellness goals. However, you won't believe what happens next if you want full access for free. Fabulous relies heavily on a paid subscription, and the cost may feel high if you don't use it daily. In conclusion, Fabulous is best for people serious about long-term change. If you're willing to commit and move slowly, it remains one of the most thoughtful habit-building apps in 2025.